Welcome to episode 1 of Flames and Thunder. Well, technically 2. Number 1, or Flames and Thunder idea, come from a video that we put up ages ago of a custom built gritty back box we put on Project Superlight. It got that many views, we decided it was probably a good idea to start documenting different exhaust systems. So, episode 1, 2, whatever you're going to call it, yeah, here it comes. Hi guys, welcome back to the EssexRotary channel and this brainchild that we are calling Flames and Thunder. Essentially we're going to be videoing some different exhaust systems on customers' cars, with their permission of course, to basically bring you different noises and help you choose what aftermarket system you want. The plan is to essentially turn around and detail what the system is. So we've got a Cobra system coming up in a minute. It's a brand new Cobra Sports back box, stock cat, stock header, stock engine and standard intake system. So yeah, without further ado, let's bring on the noise. So the noise test, we've measured it at 3/4 max revs, which is 6,750 RPM on a 231, and the level is 92.2 dB.